Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things financial. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 credit cards for people with bad credit. If you have a poor credit score, it can be challenging to get approved for a credit card. But don't worry, we've researched and found the best options for you, so let's dive in. Petal 2. Visa credit card. The Petal 2. Cashback, no fees. Visa credit card is a highly rated credit card that has no annual fees, late fees, foreign transaction fees, or any fees at all. It offers decent rewards on all purchases and doesn't require a credit history. The regular APR ranges from 17.74%, 31.74% variable APR, and it is recommended for people with an average to excellent credit score of 630, 850. Blue Cash. Everyday card from American Express. The Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express has a 4.9 out of 5 rating from NerdWallet and comes with no annual fee, 0% introductory APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, and a variable APR of 18.74%, 29.74%. It is recommended for those with good to excellent credit and is a good first credit card for those who can use the Amex and Nova Credit partnership to translate their credit reports from different countries. It also offers solid cashback rewards and a welcome offer. OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card. The OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is a good option for people with bad credit or limited credit history as it doesn't require a credit check for approval. The card has a $1.35 annual fee and a 21.89% variable APR on purchases, but no monthly fees. The minimum security deposit is $200 and there is a 3% foreign transaction fee. Overall, the card can help rebuild credit, but it's important to consider the fees and APR before applying. Discover It Secured Credit Card. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is a secured credit card that requires a minimum security deposit of $200 for people with limited credit history or bad credit. The card has no annual, monthly, or processing fees and offers a high reward rate of 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, with unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. The first-year rewards are also doubled. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is a great option for people looking to improve their credit while saving money, but its regular APR is relatively high at 27.74% variable. Cardholders also receive free SSN alerts and free credit scores. Self-Lender. Self-Lender is a financial technology company that offers a credit builder account designed to help consumers establish or improve their credit scores. The account operates like a loan in reverse, where the user makes small monthly payments into a CD, certificate of deposit account. The CD account is then reported to the 3 major credit bureaus, allowing users to build credit history and improve their credit scores over time. Self-Lender also offers other financial tools, including a credit monitoring service, personalized credit coaching, and educational resources to help consumers achieve their financial goals. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 credit cards for people with bad credit. Always remember, responsible use of a credit card is essential to build or improve your credit score. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.